Good morning, everyone. Today, January 25th, 2022, so we got Wednesday. And we got very quick news on the Wall Street. Paul is just basically talking about the Dow Jones went down and the Nasdaq, the profits drop. So anyway, Microsoft dropped 12% of their profit, like 12%. You know, Microsoft is $1 trillion company, is 12%. That's a lot. And when a lot of big company drop their profits like this, it affect many different company. The small one like contractor, that's contract make pretty good contract with them. That's been affect like million people. It's not only 10,000 people work from Microsoft. Anyway, today before I sleep last night, I watched out the markets. Like it's been dropped out slightly, like 30-40 points, not that much, but this morning they dropped like over 200 points. And here we see right now as Dow Jones drop almost 300 points, and Nasdaq dropped 200 points, and SP 500 dropped over 40 points. So that's why I say crude oil is going to be up very soon, and gas drop a little bit. So goes down $10. That's pretty much. Anyway, when US dollars up and it's go down, that's normal, and we can tell on here. By the way, corn kind of unsure, but it's not reporting the full price yet. But food price is going to be up for next week because Donkey Team is going to get the same game to increase the interest. It's pretty much. It's kind of really scary. So because like if they can increase the interest right now and we going to buy the house more than 10 points, like 10% of the interest, like that's how, let's say $100,000 we have to pay like $10,000 to keep adding up day by day, month by month, years by years. That's a lot of money. So be prepared for unusual looking, and especially the interest rate. So by the way, now we can check, let's see what's going on with it's now like over A Central Time, and we can see 97% for S and OA, and like 33% for INPX. Though it's small company, but anyway, we can play with them like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Keep that on the rule. Doesn't matter what's going on. You still, in the first 2 minutes, if you still make some money or not, you still can cancel it or just sell it, even though a little lose. A little lose better than, pretty big lose. So, and the small one, like we can tell on here, that's LRN, that's the biggest one, and all of them like $2-3. And this is ETFs. Funding, like what I say, SP1QQ going to be dropped back to 395, 390, even though 385. And be prepared for that. This special week is special event for this week, and it keep dropping a lot, and especially next week. they get more. It's not only the Pharaoh, but in the Pharaoh event, that's what I'm saying. Like we don't have time like to talk all the details on what's going on next week because that's the only way I can say is the Pharaoh, you know, Pharaoh event. I call them the event because I just do for themselves, not work for everyone in the country. So see right now, we're going to have the overlay on Dow Zone. We got like over 280 points drop, and that's almost 200 points drop. So we got a lot like 5 put and 3 call for today, and we're going to focus the put for today, especially FL is look like Florida. March 17, 1.65. That's awesome. That's going to be the best one. So and we get another March 17 for BSX, just 0.15. We do the put. And we get the HL for May 19. We're going to get the another put for that. And I think that's going to be the best one. If you want some, you can get like SWN, but it's March 17, not February 17. Going to be, it's more than 19 cents, like 20 some. Even though 30, but maximum you can put like 20 some. That's good enough. And I will not buy any call for today because like market and especially that event, we have to look them down because the market going to be dropped today. You can see all the down the shares like it's still getting a little bit like 0.31%. That's Dow Jones, and S&P 500 drop a little bit, and Brussels drop a little bit like yesterday. And the major markets today is going to be it drop more, and Treasury pound like what I say, when Treasury is up and goes down, and especially US dollars up, they're kind of flexible and they have a calculation like that. Sometimes they go the same direction, sometimes it's different direction. That's why knowledge is very powerful. Is right now as they are drop over 300 points. 300 point on Dow Jones. And we can see on here, Tesla going to be dropped today. And, NVDA look pretty good. They still stay on the trending area. And Apple still do, and SPY. And Amazon is still do, but Amazon kind of like is start to gain back because something is going on, but that's kind of like secret stuff. Would not share on here, but I say it's good things going on for the next 3 months for Amazon. Is Amazon going to be getting pretty high later on, but with this market and another gang side, we got TIGO. That's cost $17 and it's getting $3. I mean, you want to buy this one like 14 or 15. That's going to be the best one. And the losing side, we got ISRG. It's low, almost 10%. It have been lost $25, and you want to keep this one, you want to buy this one, go ahead and get them around $200. And the cheap one we can see are DFN, like around $5, close to $5, even though 4.9, 4.8. Let's be the profit number. Remember, one more rule: you have to buy really low, even though the profits like that, but the market is different. Otherwise, when you're stuck on the top, it's really hard to fix it. Have a good day. See you.